The Indore police on Saturday said it has registered an FIR against the handlers of the X accounts of senior Congress leaders including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, MP Congress chief Kamal Nath and former Union Minister Arun Yadav over a post accusing the BJP government in Madhya Pradesh of corruption. In a statement released on Twitter, now known as X, the Indore Police Commissioner said late on Saturday night that local BJP's legal cell convener Nimesh Pathak complained that a fake letter bearing the name of a person called Gyanendra Avasthi was circulated on social media. The letter claimed that the contractors in the state are being asked to pay 50% commission. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday pushed for tribal rights during a speech in Wayanad, where the Lok Sabha MP was on a two-day visit. Calling tribal brothers and sisters the original owners of the country, Rahul said that Adivasis should be given rights over the land and forest. Rahul also criticized the use of the word Vanvasi, saying it had a perverted logic. Rahul is on a two-day visit to his Lok Sabha constituency Wayanad for the first time since his reinstatement as MP. He launched a power facility at a cancer center on Sunday. Ahead of Independence Day celebrations, security forces have been put on high alert in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir to ensure the safety and security of the people. The heightened security measures are also being implemented as a precautionary step to prevent any untoward incidents or threats during this significant national event. Inspector General of the Central Reserve Police Force, Srinagar Sector, Ajay Kumar Yadav stated, security arrangements have been put in place, all preparations are complete, force is alert on the field and we are ready to tackle any situation. Meanwhile, Special Operation Unit of the Jammu and Kashmir Police and the CRPF have intensified the surveillance and patrolling activities. Checkpoints and barricades have been set up at strategic locations to monitor the movement of people and vehicles. Moreover, all security agencies are also closely monitoring the situation and taking all necessary steps to maintain law and order. A Mahapanchayat by Hindu outfits will be held in Haryana's Pondri village on Sunday, which will take call on resuming BHP's Braj Mandal Yatra in Nuh that was disrupted on July 31 after communal violence broke out in the area, officials said. The Sarva Jatiya Mahapanchayat was organized, planned to be held in Nuh district's Kira village, but permission was denied for it in view of the prevailing law and order situation. Permission for the event has been given in Palwal. Deputy Superintendent of Police Palwal Sandeep Moore said on Sunday. Palwal and Nuh are adjoining districts. The Mahapanchayat will be held under the banner of Sarv Hindu Samaj, in which Hindu outfits including the Vishwa Hindu Parishad will take part. Police said a gathering of around 500 people has been allowed for the Mahapanchayat and strict action will be taken if anyone makes any kind of hate speech.